this is your living area, which is super spacious, as you can see, with modular kitchen and storage unit. Super royal and super luxurious, as you can see. So hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Temple Tree, which is located at Sompura Gate, Sarjapura Road, by the builder Binary for the sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project Temple Tree by the builder Binary, which is located at Sompura Gate, Sarjapura Road, has a land parcel of 2.5 acres with 2 towers, and the available stories are ground plus 8 floors, and the available variants are 3 BHK with 1574 to 1643 square feet. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This project Temple Tree is just few minutes away from the Domasandra metro station. And let's talk about the amenities. The project Temple Tree has 20 plus modern amenities such as gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, kids play area, kids pool area, yoga lawn, jogging track, and many more. So yes, right now we are in front of a 3 BHK sample flat called Temple Tree by the builder Binary, which is located at Sompura Gate, Sarjapura Road, for a sample flat tour. Well, let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see this foyer place, and behind the door you have a small space where you can put your shoe and your slippers, so it can be your shoe rack with a sitting area. So you can also customize it and design it the way like this. Now it's time to check the living area. So this is your living area, which is super spacious, as you can see, and super luxurious. So you can put your sofa, your television unit, and you can customize it and decorate it just like this. And near the living area you can find your balcony area. So this is your balcony with French sliding door. So yes, your balcony is super big and super long. As you can see, you can design it just like this with a plantation and sitting area. So you can enjoy your leisure time over here. So this is your balcony with French sliding door. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this way to your dining area. So you can see the dining area is also super spacious and super big. You can put your dining table, your chairs, and you can also decorate it and customize it like this. Yeah, a wardrobe for your showcases. So it's time to check the kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. You can also customize it like this with modular kitchen and storage unit. So as you can see, it is super big. And this is your utility area. Even utility area is super big, and it comes with a window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So this is your kitchen and your dining area. Now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat called Temple Tree. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there is a window for ventilation. And yes, you have space for storage unit as well. And now it's time to check the first bedroom, also called the kids bedroom. So this is your kids bedroom. It looks really cute. You can also decorate it like this. And this bedroom comes with a big window, as you can see, for natural sunlight and for ventilation. So there's ample amount of space for bed, your study table, and for the wardrobe. So now it's time to check the second bedroom in this 3 BHK flat called Temple Tree. So this way to your second bedroom, which is near to the kitchen area. So yes, we are in the second bedroom, and as you can see, it is super big and spacious for your bed, for your wardrobe, your study area, and your dressing area. And this bedroom comes with a balcony with French sliding door. So yes, this is your balcony, which is super big and long, which you can customize it the way you want with plants and sitting area. And you can see this corner, they have given a table and a storage unit. You can also decorate it like this if you want. So yes, this was the second bedroom. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom in the second bedroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and you can see there's a window for ventilation. So yes, the bathroom is super big. And now it's time to check the third bedroom, also known as the master bedroom in this 3 BHK flat called Temple Tree. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly, 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's head to the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, which is super royal and super luxurious, as you can see. So it has ample amount of space for your bed, for your big wardrobe, your dressing area, your study table and television unit as well. So yes, it has a lot of space for all your needs, and this room comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now let's check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom in the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. So as you saw in the video, everything is super spacious. The room, the kitchen, the dining area, everything is super spacious. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this project, do mention in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such fantastic videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Temple Tree, which is located at Sompura Gate, Sarjapura Road by the builder Binary.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.